Hi everyone, in this video we will solve log of x to the base 2 plus log of x to the base 3 equals 5. Find the value of x. So we will start the solution of this question. We are given log of x to the base 2 plus log of x to the base 3 equals 5. We know that log of a to the base b is equal to log of a divided by log of b. So our equation now becomes log of x divided by log of 2 plus log of x divided by log of 3 equals 5. Now we will take log 2 and log 3 LCM. Log 2 times this log 3, so it will be log of x times log of 3 plus log of 3 times this log of 2 and log of x. Log of x times log of 2 equals 5. Now can we take log x common from the numerator? Yes. Log of x common. We have log of 3 plus log of 2 whole divided by log of 2 log of 2 times log of 3 equals 5. Now log of 3 plus log of 2, we will use a formula that log of a times b equals log of a plus log of b. So in our case a is 3 and b is 2, so the numerator now becomes log of x times log of ab, that is 3 times 2 whole divided by log of 2 times log of 3 equals 5. Log of x times log of 6 divided by log of 2 and log of 3 equals 5. Now multiply by log of 3 and divide by log of 6 on both sides. It will be log of x divided by log of 2 log of 6 divided by log of 3 times log of 3 divided by log of 6 equals 5 times log of 3 divided by log of 6. So log 6 cancel with log 6 and log 3 cancel with log 3. Will be log of x divided by log of 2 equals 5 times log of 3 divided by log of 6. Now for this term and this term we will use an earlier formula, this one, log of a by log of b is equal to log of a to the base b. So this will become log of x to the base 2 equals 5 times log of 3 to the base 6. We have to find the value of x. Here we will use a formula log of x to the base a is equal to constant, then x will be equal to a power c. So we will apply this on the above equation. It will be x equals, what is a? This is 2, and what is c? 5 times log of 3 to the base 6. Now we can write this as x equals 2 power 5 whole power log of 3 to the base 6. What is to the power 5? This is 32 power log of 3 to the base 6. This is the final answer of x. Now we have to check this value by putting this value back in a given equation. Log of x to the base 2 plus log of x to the base 3 equals 5. Replace x by this value. This is log of 32 log of 3 6 2 plus log of 32 power log of 3 the base 6 base 3 5. This will become coefficient, so it will be log of 3 to the base 6 times log of 32 to the base 2 plus log of 3 to the base 6 times log of 32 to the base 3 5. We can write this as log of 3 divided by log of 6, and this is log of 2 power 5 2 plus log of 3 divided by log of 6, and this is log of 2 power 5 to the base 3 5. This is log of 3 divided by log of 6. This is 5. Log of 2 by log of 2 plus log of 3 divided by log of 6 and 5 log of 2 by log of 3 and 5. log 2 cancel with log 2, log 3 cancel with log 3. We have log of 3 divided by log of 6 and 5 plus 5 log of 2 divided by log of 6 equals 5. Taking 5 common, we have log of 3 divided by log of 6 plus log of 2 divided by log of 6, 5. This will be 5 times log of 6 log of 2 plus log of 3 is 5. And we use a formula for this. Log of a plus log of b is log of a with the log of ab. So it will be 5 times log of 2 into 3 is 6 by log of 6, 5. Log 6 cancel with log 6, 5 is equal to 5, mean left hand side equal right hand side. I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye.